Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
hello.
Yes, can you
Yes.
hear me? Okay, how about my screen? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I apologize because I entered this Zoom at late because I am experiencing our internet connection was lost. Okay, so
Uh,
all right. So can we start now? Are you ready? Are you ready?
yes.
Okay, that's good. So for tonight,
Yes.
let's start about this activity. We have read and write, but no need to write, just tell me your answer, okay? But before you're going to answer the words inside the box, please read this one, all of these words.
Okay.
Okay,
Splash, strong, desk, screen, string, scale, spray, skunk, splint, spring, square, school.
okay, very good. So now we have here the first letters that starts with SK, or can you find the word that has SK letters? Let's start here.
Uh, have a desk and skunk.
Okay, desk and skunk. Exactly. How about SC?
SC have a hill and school.
Okay, very good. We have scale and school. How about SPR?
SPR have a spray and spring.
Okay, spring and spray. Very good. Let's go with STR.
STR have strong and spring.
Okay, very good. How about SPL?
SPL have splash and splint.
Okay, we have splosh and splint. How about SQU?
It has squid and square.
All right, we have squid and square. Okay, very good. So we're done for the first activity. Now let's have, or let's proceed for the second. We have here now, try this, listen and scramble and write. So we have here on my screen the unscrambled letters. So all you have to do is that you're going to arrange these letters to make or to form a word, okay? So can we start now? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Teacher, teacher,
Yes.
my
Yes.
my computer, my laptop is really lag.
Oh, I
My
see.
my laptop have is very your voice is very loud.
Oh, your laptop is very lag. You can see. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, how about
Yes,
this
I
one?
can see. Oh, I
Okay,
can.
all right. Can you see right now?
Number one.
Okay,
Yes.
is that clear? All right, so now let's try
Mm,
to answer number one. What is the
yeah.
correct word for this?
Number one is keep.
Very good.
Skip.
Skip. Correct. The second? Second word is?
It scan.
Okay, very good. Scan. Number three.
Is is
That
is
is?
print.
Very good. Prints. Exactly.
Is print.
Okay, prints. Like this. Okay, I will be putting here the correct word for the prints. That's what? Prints. Okay, got it? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So now let's
Yes.
move on for number four. So we have here another word. What is the exact word for that?
I think it's tortoise.
Okay, this one is
I think it's tortoise.
turtles. This one is cedar. Okay,
Oh, cedar.
okay. How about number five?
It is um
Yes, that
I
is.
don't know this word.
All right, it's okay. This word is split. Okay. How about number six?
Number six is what?
Okay, this one is yes. Your answer again is
It's quite.
okay. All right, that's correct. Very good. So next one, let's have the second activity. Okay, we have a bad skunk. So now please read about a bad skunk.
Okay. Uh, it it is a pretty spring day. The squid kids are in school. A skunk jumps into the sea. Splash! He wants to catch the squid. The kids swim under the desk. They spray black ink. The skunk can see the squid teacher is strong. He picked up the skunk and put him on the glass. The skunk is sorry.
All right, very good. So again, this is all about the, what do you call this animal? It's the
Skunk.
skunk. Okay, very good. It's the skunk and the other animals are the squid. Okay?
Squid.
All right. So
Yeah.
these are the squids here. Okay, this one. These are the squids. And the color black here are the skunks. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So next
Yeah.
here. Okay, next let's proceed. The new words and the sight words. Can you please read?
New word bad teacher sorry. Sign word T jump into can pick.
Okay, very good. Next, let's have the first word. This is
Rice.
rice. Okay, very good. That is rice. How
Rice.
about,
Oh,
okay, the second?
rice. City. Ice and phone.
Ice cream and cell phone. We have rice, a city, ice cream, and cell phone. Okay, so let's have the letter C.
Yeah.
Which ones have the same sound? Okay, which of these pictures that have the same sounds?
I will circle.
And no need, just tell me.
Uh,
Okay,
number
can you
one.
encircle? Can you encircle the pictures?
Yes, I can.
Okay, all right. So please
I
encircle
can.
the pictures that has the same sound.
Um, and okay, number one is the clock, ice cream, and rice. Uh, I think the clock and rice is have the same sound.
Okay, that's correct. How about number two?
Number two, have a cell phone and a city have the same sound.
Okay, correct. And number three?
Number three, have right, crab, and city. I think I have rice and city is the same sound.
Okay, all right, that's correct. So these are the correct words, or I mean the correct pictures that have the same sounds. We have one, two, and three. Okay, good job. Next, let's proceed now for the letter D. Okay, so the letter D here. Okay, that's one. Match and write. Right, so can you match the pictures to the words?
Okay.
Okay, and then just put your answer inside the box, okay? The correct word.
Okay.
All right.
Number one is city. Number two is rice. Number three is ice cream. Number four is cell phone. Um, not here is oh,
All right, very good. So, can you put your answer also inside the box?
oh,
Okay.
okay.
All right, we have ice cream, rice, cell phone, and city. Okay, very good. So next, let's have now another page. Okay, so the letter E, please read.
People in the city like rice and ice. Uh, uh, what
Okay,
happened?
all right. There is having with our internet connection. All right, so now let's go back and we continue. Can you hear me clearly?
Okay,
Okay. Can you
yeah.
hear me? Okay. How about my screen? Can you see my screen as well?
Now
Oh, I see.
I see only
Okay, I see. All right,
your camera.
that's one. Did you see it now? All right, that's it. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Hello?
Mhm. Hello.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. How about this one? You see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
All right. So now let's continue. So we have the letter E. People in the city like rice and ice cream. Okay. So now let's have another word. What do you call this word? It's
Giraffe.
okay. That is a giraffe. Exactly. How about the second?
Giraffe.
Okay. Number two.
Mhm. Teacher.
Yes.
Um,
Hello.
giraffe.
Okay. Very good. Number two.
Uh, I giraffe. Orange and uh,
Giant. That
what
is a
is number
giant.
3?
Okay. Number
I
three
can
is a
see
giant. It's a giant.
Jan,
Okay.
and cage.
All right. Very good. Giraffe, giant, and cage. Okay. Very good. Next, let's have this one. Can you match
Oh,
the words to the picture?
teacher,
Yes.
I can listen your voice.
Oh, I see. All right. Can you hear me?
Teacher, your voice is very loud. I can listen your voice.
Oh, I see.
Teacher,
Yes. Hello. Hello.
I can listen your voice. Hello,
Hello.
hello.
Yes. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes,
Okay. All right. Can you hear me right now? Hello.
yes,
Okay. So now let's try to answer the letter C.
yes. I can.
Okay. All right. Let's have now the letter C. Can you match the words to the pictures?
Okay.
Okay.
For
All right. Okay, very good. So number 1 is the orange. Number 2, it's giraffe. Number 3, it's the cage. And we have last one, it's the giant.
Teacher,
Yes? Hello? Hello?
uh,
Can you hear me? Hello?
teacher, your voice, I can see I can listen your voice.
Oh, I see. It's because of our internet connection.
Teacher,
Yes, hello?
hello.
Hello?
Yeah.